What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon and welcome back to a video about a crypto we haven't covered in quite some time. It's going to be BEL Protocol, or BEL, that's the name of the token, the BEL token. I actually wanted to cover this again yesterday, but yesterday it was already pretty bullish. But yesterday I didn't really have time, so we're covering it today. BEL Protocol has been pretty bullish over the last week. As you can see, it had two big spikes accompanied by great volume. Volume right now is also near that 50 million mark. Well, it used to be around 3, 4, 5 million when it was relatively stable. But yeah, apart from that, I just wanted to take a look at it. I don't think there's any big news around BEL Protocol. I could be wrong about that. I did some research, but no, I'm not sure. I don't think there's any direct news from BEL Protocol. If I'm wrong about that, let me know down in the comments and I'll pin your comment with the news. But apart from that, I mean, I think most of you know BEL Protocol by its huge rally at the end of May, beginning of June. I covered it a lot then we had amazing volume, we got some great listings. But apart from that, after that, we've been relatively stable. Compared to other cryptos, I mean, right now we're at the same levels as about January. So it still is one of the best cryptos you could have bought at the beginning of the year. But apart from that, it has been pretty like bearish and consolidating. It isn't that exciting to be a BEL Protocol holder, at least on the short term. But on the short term, there are some possibilities, and that's what I wanted to talk about in this video. So let's dive right into the price, because to me, it's pretty clear what's happening right now. What you can see is that we found a significant support level, and the significant support level is this entire level between 60 and 50 cents. And we haven't even touched the strongest support level at 50 cents. There's a possibility we will drop down there, but we'll get to that right now. Because the main thing right now is that we broke above 60 cents, all right? And usually what happens with big key areas like this is you'll get separate segments. So we broke above the entire key area, but the main segment right now that we're above is between 60 and 58 cents. So we have found resistance at this major resistance at 65 cents, together with a 236 fib and a 200 EMA. To me, what's happening right now is we're going to drop down to 60 and 58 cents. And then two things can happen. We can either stay above that for 2 or 3 days. If that happens, so 58 cents, remember the price. If that happens, I think we're going up to 70 cents and this level here between 70 and 72 cents. And then I'll make an update on that 100%. All right, so that is one of the things that could happen if we can actually hold that 60 cents, 58 cents level as a support. On the other hand, something that is equally realistic and what could also happen is that we'll drop down to this trend line right here at 55, 56 cents. If that happens, so then we break down below 58 cents, then unfortunately we might actually be able to get a little bit higher, and we might even break above 60 cents again. But that just shows me that there's not enough momentum. So then we'll probably drop down to 55 cents a little bit later, and then to 50 cents. And then from 50 cents, I gotta be honest, if we touch that level, we could actually have quite a strong rally from there. But still, it would be better if we could actually stay on top of 58 and 60 cents to get that rally right now from a higher price level. So yeah, to me, it's one of those two scenarios, and I gotta be honest about that, and I'm sorry about that, but I don't really have a bias towards which scenario is more likely. It's really just, it depends for me. It depends on when we can hold that level or not. So it's going to be interesting to watch, but for now, that's my analysis on BEL Protocol and the BEL token. So if you do have any questions about it, excuse me, let me know down in the comments. And for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening. Have a great week, and bye.